Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by diagnosing early extension immediately. Set up with the ball one ball left of center and establish a neutral spine angle. Film a quick 3 to 5 swing clip from down the line so you can compare positions. Once done, feel your weight slightly favoring the inside of the front foot. This prevents hanging back. Make sure to keep the chin up and chest soft so you can rotate. This first step reveals whether it's posture, ball position, or balance causing extension. Next, focus on restoring the proper kinematic sequence. Hips lead, then torso, then arms. Use the wall tap hip turn drill. Stand an arm's length from a wall and tap it with your hip while keeping your head steady. Do 20 reps. Practice swings with a shorter tee to train a lower hand lead and to reduce scoop. Once you feel the hips clear first, make slow full swings while monitoring that the club shaft maintains a slight left lean through impact to avoid early extension. Finish by locking in an impact picture where your hips are open and your chest remains behind the ball. Hold drills with a resistance band around your hips to feel staying down and rotating rather than standing up. If early extension returns, shorten your swing and return to the wall tap and short tee drills for 1 week. This rebuilds motor patterns. One troubleshooting tip: if you still stand up, check lead knee drift. Hold a slight flex in the lead knee to maintain
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.